Okay. I'm just messing around in here, trying to figure out what in the world any of this is. I'm this world. I don't know what I'm even gonna try to do in the first place. I'm moving the camera. I don't like where it's at. I'm just trying to mess around in here and figure out what in the world, how in the world to even do anything on here. Cause I have no idea. I tried Unreal Engine months ago, and I gave up immediately just because it wasn't running correctly. But this is actually it's running quite smooth for me. Oh gosh. And I'm still trying to figure out how to move around in this thing because God, it moves weird. Like I got this ground, this very extremely detailed ground. I mean, it's the same pattern a billions of times, but like I'm just messing around, just trying to figure it out because they don't have actual tutorials released yet. But like you just look at that. It's uh uh textured. See, like that. Eh, it's just sand, rocky sand. Why is whoa? Hold up a second. Oh, why is it so big? No, no. Why? Why is that so huge? How do I shrink it? That's my question. How do I? Is this it? Hello. Oh, ooh, oh. How do I? How do I shrink? Um, I don't know how to actually change its size. Desert sand. See, okay, why is it big? This was the. That's not. Yeah, this was the first one to actually do anything. Whoa. So I was like, look at that. That's so detailed. And like, if you have a bunch of stuff on it, grass and decorations and stuff to just not make it flat, you wouldn't even be able to tell it's a pattern. I wonder how big this is compared to an actual like character in the game. So I'm not sure on that at all. I still have no idea like what any of the buttons do. I'm just messing around in this. Manufactured. I was just looking at natural things, but like, whoa, whoa, wow, oh my gosh. Hold on, there was a way to change daylight, wasn't there? I saw a thing to do like change the time of day. What happened to that? What happened to my time of day choice? Huh? Could have sworn I could have changed the time of day. Whatever. Like, look at that. This is some insanely detailed stuff, and this is stuff that would be in Fortnite. What about this? Wrong way. Whoa. Okay, again, extremely detailed. It's just zoomed in super high. Okay, see, now that's better. That's just a nice wooden floor. I really hope this isn't like stacking on each other and it's just look at that! Look at that! That's gorgeous! Look at all of this! This is beautiful! Now, I do have an idea of what I want to do, of like how to make things and such. Like, I have an idea of how I want to do things, but I still need to actually figure out how in the world to even do any of it. Now, I do have an idea. Ooh, why are my headphones not plugged in? That's a little weird. Yeah, safe. Like, I don't know why. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. This is insane. Oh, this stream's buggy. Oh, is my computer having a rough time playing this? Okay, no, it looks fine. Like, how is any of this possible? Like, this is stuff that's going into Fortnite. That's insane. I'm just messing around with the textures at this point. This is just... Okay, here's another big one. I'm going the wrong way. Like, look at that. That's insanity. That's something this is detailed. Like, we thought Chapter 4 had insane details, but this is a whole other level. Fabric. We could look at fabric and look at that. We have, like, carpet stuff. Stop going so fast. Oh my... There we go. Look at that! How? Whoa. Okay, that's bright. That is bright. Oh, that's bright. But, oh my gosh, the level of detail. I mean, this right here, this is fairly easy to use. Whoa. Like, this kind of thing, this is amazing. This is crazy that this kind of thing can be made. Now, thankfully, I do have a code, and my code can, uh, publish maps. And with the new way that they're doing, a lot of, like, the supported creator code, it's this... you get money based off not just item shop purchases, but also time that people spend in your map. Like that so like now it's an even more reason to try to do this, because if you do something really good, something that people want to keep going back to, they'll keep being able to just... I mean, people will be able to get paid for people playing it. Just like Epic gets paid for people playing their game, you would get paid for people playing this. Like, that's crazy. It's insane that this kind of thing is even possible. Like, just look at... Okay, don't look at this. Look at look at that. Look at that detail. And then, like, you can't... and it counts more than just floor, because, like, you could put this on walls. I'm pretty sure you'd be able to put this on pretty much anything. Like, let me just see. If we go to Fortnite, galleries, building, let's see if there's just tilted. You just look at, like, old tilted things. Well, okay, I don't want to look at a wall or anything. Let's just see if I can find, like, a bench. Okay, no bench. Um, okay, let's look at basketball court. Okay, that's nothing but walls and floors. Um, okay, but let's just look at... Okay, see, look at that. You can put that in here. You can uh uh, okay, I'm trying. What happened? Why can't I move it? Why can't I move it? Hello? Okay, well, it's there. So let's just see. Okay, let's see metal. Steel. See if we could just put that... Okay, yeah, that's fine. Put that on there, and boom, you can change the texture of anything just by dragging it on it. It's simple, but extremely complicated at the same time. Like, I don't know how that Fortnite's gone to this. It's crazy to me that this is Fortnite now. And I mean, they have a website to help with some things. Let's see. Textures. Let's go to concrete. This one. Boom, like look at that. Let's just like grunges. Here, look at that. Like look at that. You could just put any texture. And this is just stuff that they have. It is stuff that's just automatically on here. You can download and input your own textures into this. You're not limited to just what's on here. You can add more to it. You can just do whatever you want. You're literally making your own game, just like any other Unreal Engine thing. But instead of publishing it as instead of publishing it as its own game, you're putting it into Fortnite as a creative map. What's this look like? Was it G? No. Was it E? What was it? Oh, see, look at that. Now I can move that around. But, like, this is crazy stuff. Like, it's crazy. This is just, it's insane. Like, we did, boop, look at that. Boom! Look at the texture. The texture. It's just insane how detailed this is and how this is just gonna change Fortnite forever, because then people who are really good at this can make whatever they want. They can make whatever. There's no limit to them being able to do whatever they want. Alright, I gotta stop messing with just textures. So maybe we can look at all the file things we have here. Fortilla, floor, and stair. Like, you can put any floor item in it. Like, look at that. You can put a floor, like an actual floor that has its own textures. Like, this is from the Fortilla from Chapter 2, Season 3. But then, I can go back to textures and just pop it on there. You don't have to, like, build your own. You can just slap the texture right on it. Now, placing things, it is a little bit difficult. I'm not gonna oof, I'm not gonna deny the placing things it has proven to be a little difficult to me. All right, let's just go over here where it's just completely empty, nothing. Okay. So if we go to Fortnite, and it has like all the devices and stuff that normal creative has, but then like textures, Fortnite textures. Hold up, you really just put Fortnite textures on here. Okay, but galleries. Game? Mm, Uh, building. Let's think of a POI. Just random POI. Well, let's just see if Mega City is in here. Okay, there's a lot of Mega Mall. That makes sense. Let's do somewhere that's not brand new. Uh, Chonkers. You can just type it in, and then boom, you have all the different tiles and floors and anything that was related to Chonker Speedway. Let's just put in a random. We don't even need to worry about which walls it is. You could just okay. I wish there was more grid snap. Like there is. I mean, there probably is. I just don't know how to do it. Um, like I could just place that on here, and then let's see. I can see. and I could just uh let's see, copy and Control V. No. How do I do? I don't know how to do any of this. Uh, okay, yeah. There was a copy and a paste thing, but I don't know how to do it. So as for right now, for me, I'm just gonna have to keep placing wall. Yeah. Hey, look at that! You did it. Uh, and then wall. Okay, so it's auto connecting. That's actually extremely helpful. And wall. And look at that, we got wall. We got walls. But and then I could go back to all. What? Oh, I'm still looking at chunkers. Uh, epic textures. Uh, go metal, iron. We just plop that on there and then boom. Okay, stop showing me this. And it changes the entire thing. Boom. And then you have an entirely new wall. Like, look at that. Like, that's a whole new thing. And you can even, because it's Fortnite. I don't know if you can specifically do this with the Fortnite version yet, but I know Unreal has, um, different galleries and such for just any kind of building thing that's both free and paid for. I saw something that was like $200 for a gallery of different textures and such. But you're not limited to just what's in here. You can add your own or you can buy them in the Epic store. Uh it's insane. It's crazy. I'm still just trying to figure out how to move things. Chain link fence? Can I just give thing a fence texture? Oh wait, so like if I add a fence, okay, okay, that's in metal. I just want to find fence. I just want to find a. Here we are, a fence. Look at that. Boop, done. Look at that. We got a fence. Now, uh, oh wait, look at that. And then I just add this. No, wrong one. Okay, so it don't work like that. Gotcha. uh, okay, so I'm not as smart as I thought it was. Now if we put it on there. Okay, so it would require a difference. Yeesh. Okay, and then I can just delete it. Okay, I can still just use my delete, but whoa. Did I just delete an entire floor? I did just delete an entire chunk of floor. Okay, yeah. See, I still have a lot to learn about all of this. Uh, it's crazy. This is quite insane. What's in this box? This box was here when I opened up this. Okay, it has lights in it. Is this a world I made? Hold up. No, I feel like I remember making this. No. Maybe? No. Monarch. Yeah? Hold up. This is a creative map I already made in Fortnite a long time ago. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. Um, I'm gonna go into the textures thing. Okay, that's cool. No. That's not what I'm looking for. Just alright, let's look at ground. Natural. Sand, 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 gravel. Gravel? I'm sure there is a quicker way to do this, but I am currently have no idea how that would be. Just look at the light reflections on it too, man. That's crazy. Okay. Um, noises. Water noise. What? Is this changing anything out there? No. Okay, I don't. Just look at the detail. God, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Let's go to concrete. No, not concrete. Blank. Look at rock. Okay, why? Okay, there we go. Huh. I wonder why it's not going on those walls. That's interesting. Is it because of... Wait, can I see the light? That's showing me the light reflected? Oh, it is. Just look at the light tracking. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful! You've no right to be this pretty! Even on the wall. Okay, well... Okay. Let's... Did that save it? Uh... File. Save all. Okay. So, does that mean if I go to Fortnite and I go into that map that I was just working on, does that mean it'd be updated to have the textures and such? Because if so, awesome. Um, that would be super cool, actually. I kind of hope so, because if so, that's awesome and easy enough to have it up just auto update from uh the engine to the game immediately like that. I'm not entirely sure if that's how it is though. We'll see. If we just go to creative, let's see there. Let's see how that goes. Um, I'm not entirely sure on how it's gonna work. If it does end up just uh if it does not show up in creative after what I just did in Unreal, then I have questions. I'll have mighty big questions. Ma okay. See, this wasn't the map I had open last time I was in creative. That's the thing. But it is open here, so if I go into it, is it going to have the update? It's got the lighting, that's for sure. It has the lighting I gave it a long time ago. Settings. Fog color. Default. Wait, restore defaults. Nope. Well, certainly, did not change. Okay, so it did not update in here. It did not update. Okay. So, okay. That's the next question then. How do I update it? How would I update the map to what I had it at? That is the remaining question. I have non idea. No clue. No thought whatsoever. It's loading up. Okay. Oh my god. It has my creative maps in here. So if I go to my project. Oh! You can't see it. Hold on. There. Oh my god. These are my creative maps. Hold on. So if I can. Hold on. Where is it? Chapter 2 PvP. That's the actual map I have. Okay, well, I'm gonna open Monarch, because now it's just the test map for now. Yeah, see, look at this. Okay, how do I publish it? I think I still have. I do. I have this open here. Learning. How do I update maps and publish them? Using live edit, landscape. Landscape tools is something I do want to look into. Eventually. Uh, sure as hell am not ready for that at the moment. Niagara, I think that's the animation. I import textures, sequencer, lighting, car racing, 3D meshes, uh, creating capture flag, creating a box fight, viewport animation, live edit. I can't tell. Introduction, content browser, post processing. Is this the same?
On preferred information and settings, and then select Create. And now we can build with UEFN. Thank you and for community. If you have feedback, you can learn this and more about each update in our documentation. Speaking of our documentation,
I just want to know how to publish or how to update the map. Maybe creative filter. Nothing for publish. How about update? Nothing for update either. Okay. Create. No, create. Or is this just gonna take me to the regular creative? That's just regular creative. Unreal Engine. See, like, I'm trying to get this kind of stuff going on in here. Oh, apparently they can do it in PS5. I guess it's all available for all next gen. Okay, publishing. No, I'm not trying to publish. I just want to update it. Importing content to. No. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not figuring it out, man. Why is it all so bright?